Hi guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno 10 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings and go to Wallpaper and Style. Now go to Wallpapers and choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. I will pick one from Static Wallpaper. And now just pick the picture that you want to apply. Let me pick for example this one, and then to apply it just click on apply. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I want to pick both. And that's it, that will be all. From now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.